13th of December, Toroni Rongpi, Executive Engineer of Public Health Engineering PHE, spoke about misusing of departmental scheme at the construction site of Police Reserve, Hamren, without the consent and permission from PHE Department by the contractors. The citizens of Hamren are exasperated as the PHE Department under Hamren subdivision are still unable to provide safe and proper drinking water supply to all the 7 wards of Hamren Municipal Board. Even after 71 years foundation of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, citizens of Hamren Municipal Board are still deprived from basic necessities like proper drinking water. Amidst the crisis of supply water at Hamren Municipal Board, a person identified as Moni Kakati, the contractor of Hamren Police Reserve Building, he was practicing piracy of supply waters through pipes connected into the main water pipe.
Put Kuribu dia have allotment diana, Kunjaga Hobo Hotik time to Dianai. Indiana boarding to Korahona, I already Abnaloko municipality, Nikitu, municipality water supply by Pani Luis.
Toroni Rongpi, Executive Engineer of Public Health Engineering PHE, while speaking to us informed that he was unaware about it and no any permission was granted for that purpose. After the information of piracy by Moni Kakati was received, he instantly informed the district administration and law and order of the district and demanded stern investigation into this matter.
Proposal we have already prepared DPR. DPR ta banaya la so DPR ke tamne MOS law NGO tamne la next phase niba itum ki jama last year so DPR jama 23 crores.
Kon ha
23 crores.
23 crores. Lage kon angka pano target ke
target mane khali lage tamne no the sanction avela ke lage Delhi law mo tamne MOS law sanction ko so already DPR prepare.
Water pipes connectivity at Hamren was done in the year 1978, and since then no any new project was carried out to replace the 44 years old pipelines. Consequently, many sections of the pipes suffered rusting and leakage, and some section was washed away with the landslide. Toroni Rongpi also informed that to carry out various projects under Hamren Municipal Board from the Department of Public Health Engineering PHE, details project report DPR with an estimated cost of Rs 23 crores was submitted to Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KAAC. The citizens of Hamren now look forward towards CEM of KAAC for the implementation of DPR submitted by PHE Department of Hamren Subdivision in transforming the face of Hamren Municipal Board. Daniel in his report from Hamren for Karbi Anglong Live.